Hey you guys, I wanted to share our dinner with you. Burgers, and then I've been wanting to make, these are fresh jalapenos from my dad. He gets vegetables weekly from a farm, and so they need to be eaten. And so what I'm going to do is pit them with this. This is like a jalapeno pitter. And then I'm going to stuff them with a little bit of cream cheese, and then I'm going to wrap them in bacon. So this is my bacon. It's turkey bacon, and then this is Jason's bacon. You can't see because we didn't have any baggies, so we just threw it in some Tupperware. Stuffed jalapenos, burgers, and then I'm probably gonna make corn on the cob because we have a ton of it from Jason's sister. How I make these, because I figure that'd be kind of fun. You could do these with regular peppers too. You don't have to use jalapenos, but me and Jason love jalapenos, so I'm excited for these. See how they turn out. So I'm gonna put the oven at 350, and then I'm gonna bake those, and then I'm gonna probably make the burgers on the stovetop. And this is just extra lean ground beef from Walmart. I picked that up today. And then yeah, I'm gonna probably put cheese on it too. So I'll point it all out, make it, and I'll share it with you guys. Okay you guys, so I gutted these 3 and I want to show you. So this tool that we have is bomb. I accidentally threw away the first stem, but keep the stem. That was Jason's idea. So anyways, you just cut it, and then this tool is really neat. So this is my first time using it, but you just go along inside spicy, and you just pull it out, all the seeds like that. And then I've been rinsing the seeds from the inside, so just throw them away. But now I'm going to, I have my cream cheese set up right here. So 1 ounce is 3 points. This is the reduced fat, or like 1/3 less fat. I did want to show you guys, this is the bacon I use. So for 1 slice, it's 1 point. I don't know if you guys will be able to find it. Wow, that's so spicy, it's making me cough. Here is dinner. It's actually really not bad in points. Let me just pull up my Weight Watcher app. I have Thousand Island on my salad. The cheese, I only used, actually it's actually less. I only used half of a slice because my burger got smaller. So this whole plate is only 10 points. I did not count the croutons because I literally put like 3 on. So, but doesn't it look so good? I have caramelized onions, and I just use Pam spray. I don't use actual butter. And then cheeseburger, my stuffed jalapeno, I'll let you guys know how that is, and then my salad. So super good, you guys. Hello you guys, I am making dinner right now. I wanted to pick up the camera and show you guys what I'm making. So tonight I'm making Mexican, and Jason's actually making wings. So it's Saturday. I'm just sauteing up some onion and a red bell pepper to put inside my enchiladas. I have the Spanish rice by Uncle Ben's. I've never had this, but it's 6 points for 1 cup. Some fat-free refried beans. You can have half of a cup for 2 points. Some chicken to go in the enchiladas. I'm going to cook that up after these are done sauteing in the pan for a while with some chicken broth. And then I'm going to also put some diced green chilies. These are the mild ones inside the tortilla. And then this is the red enchilada sauce. I got hot, so I hope I don't die if it's too hot. And then over here I cut up some lettuce, tomato, I blanked there. And then these are the shells I'm going to be using. They're 2 points per tortilla. We have enough, and then whatever's left I'll eat tomorrow for lunch. So I'm just making dinner for myself tonight. This would be great for meal prep or anything, to be honest with you guys. It's just, I just love Mexican food, and I've been craving it like crazy. So, and then I might have some chips and salsa on the side as well. Hey you guys, so I have some Pam spray. I'm gonna just spray my pan really quick. I have my oven at 400 degrees. That's what Jason was cooking his chicken at, so I just left it. I did try this sauce. It's not even that hot, so totally fine. I'm just gonna do a little bit inside. I was trying to think, like, what do they usually put inside, like, enchiladas, you know? I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow with these. So I calculated everything, and you can have, for everything I'm gonna be putting in here, I hate when the onions get, like, stringy like that. For everything that I'm putting in these, you can have 1 for 5 points. So I'm gonna try my hardest to make it less points. So for this cheese here, I was gonna try to do a half of a cup, but I'm gonna try my best to do like as little as possible, but still have it be like delicious and creamy. So I'm gonna start with 28 grams, which is 1/4 of a cup, and I'm just gonna kind of see what I can do with that. Because I also want to use this cheese I'm gonna be using. I was just gonna put this on top, so we'll just put this one on top, and then we'll put this other one in the inside. This cheddar, better cheddar. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put my meat mixture. And the chicken is 0 on the blue and green, or the blue and purple, I'm pretty sure. And then I think on green, sorry, I don't know what it is on green. I've never ever tracked chicken, so. Okay, like that. And then I'm just going to make the rest. These look so good, I can't believe it. I did end up putting a little bit of queso on top. Jason made some for me, and then it's only 1 point worth. And then I have a little bit more cheese, and I put a little bit of the queso on there. So these are only hold on, so I had 1/8 of a cup of this restaurant style white queso on there, so it's only 1 point. It's super good in points. And then Jason added jalapenos to it too. Super good. All right, you guys, so my dinner tonight is 14 points. Now, this is my version going in and sitting down at a restaurant. To me, it looks just as appetizing, and like I'm so happy about it. So for 14 points, it's bomb. I feel like if you went and got this at an authentic Mexican restaurant, this would be well over like 40 points, just alone with the cheese, because they don't count cheese, you know, obviously they just throw handfuls, do whatever. And then the enchilada sauce, if you don't watch out, that can be really high in points, especially the tortillas. So I know that there's 1 point tortilla. These ones, these carb counter ones, are really good. There's another one that's only 1 point, but I literally cannot find it anywhere anymore. But yeah, I'm really excited. And this rice is really, let's try the rice. That rice is actually really good, you guys. It's this right here. A little bit softer than I would prefer, but it's still, like, for what it is, it's actually really good. And then I'm gonna pour myself up a big old nice glass of Diet Sunkist over ice, and I'm going to enjoy. This is what I would get. This is what I used to get all the time at restaurants. Orange, Pepsi, like all those, but I was just craving this because of the like really, really good orange soda that they usually have. So here we go. Totally forgot, but I will be putting lettuce, tomatoes, and sour cream on the side. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.